Now let's take a look at the downloads. You'll find your data and other available files by clicking here. Click Download Points to get started. You'll be prompted to accept the terms and conditions, and once doing so, you'll be able to choose the format that you would like to download your file in. If you're unsure, LAZ is one of the most useful formats. Once you've chosen your format, select your points. In most cases, you'll select all points. Your download will then begin and be available. Other datasets, like topographic surveys, can also be downloaded here. These files are often supplied in DWG and ZIP format. Click the link to start the download. That wraps up the Pointerra downloads walkthrough. If you have any questions or need any assistance, reach out for help. Thanks for watching.